So welcome students. In this question you're given equations of two pair of lines. You said that each pair of line bisects the angle between the other pair of line. So that means this pair of lines bisect the angle between this pair and this pair bisects the angle between that pair. So if that is so, what is the relation between P and Q? Again, a very straightforward question. So if you take x square minus 2pxy minus y square is equal to 0, the angle bisector of this pair of lines should be equal to the second pair of line, right? But what is the equation of angle bisector? X square minus y square by a minus b, that is 2, 1 minus of minus 1 is equal to x square minus y square by a minus b is equal to xy by h. H is minus b. So this implies x square minus y square is equal to minus 2 by p times xy. This implies x square plus 2 by p times xy minus y square is equal to 0. Actually, from the formula, the bisector of this pair of lines should be equal to this. But in the question, it's given that this line is same as this line. Hence, the coefficients has to match. X square coefficient has already matched. Y square coefficient has already matched. So what is left out? So minus 2q should be same as xy coefficient minus 2q should be same as 2 by p. As 2 and 2 gets cancelled. This implies pq has to be equal to minus 1. So that will be the required condition. Thank you.